Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, we have something brand new for you to look at for Thursday's session. We have never profiled this company before in this newsletter, and given some recent developments, we are excited to introduce it to you. We want you to put ADTX on your radar right away. Key highlights. Acquisition target Evofem reported revenue of $7.8 million for the 6 months ended June 30th. Acquisition target Apelli has received approximately $6 million of the total $14 million to date in a non-dilutive funding commitment from the Department of Defense. ADTX has a diverse portfolio that not only increases the potential for revenue generation, but also reduces risk by not relying solely on one chart or service. The chart shows that ADTX is a prime bounce opportunity with a low float. Aditxt is an innovation platform dedicated to accelerating promising health innovations. ADTX's ecosystem of research institutions, industry partners, and shareholders collaboratively drives their mission to make promising innovations possible together. The innovation platform is the cornerstone of Aditxt's strategy, where multiple disciplines drive disruptive growth and address significant societal challenges. Aditxt operates a unique model that democratizes innovation, ensures every stakeholder's voice is heard and valued, and empowers collective progress. Aditxt currently operates 2 programs focused on immune health and precision health. The company plans to introduce 2 additional public and women's health programs. For these, Aditxt has entered into an arrangement agreement with Apelli Therapeutics, which focuses on infectious diseases, and a merger agreement with Evofem Biosciences. Each program will be designed to function autonomously while collectively advancing Aditxt's mission of discovering, developing, and deploying innovative health solutions to tackle some of the most urgent health challenges. The company's diverse innovation portfolio includes Adimune, Adavir, and Pearsanta, which focuses on retraining the immune system, treating infectious diseases, and offering high-quality lab testing. The portfolio's diversity increases the potential for revenue generation and reduces risk by allowing investors to avoid relying solely on one product or service. We had news out today. The company ADTX announced the hosting of an update and Q&A session with CEO Amro Albana this Friday, October 11th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Friday, the company will cover the following: Aditxt overview and transaction updates, an update on the company's current position and progress regarding the Evofem and Apelli transactions, overview of Aditxt's current programs, updates on Aditxt's 2 ongoing immune and precision health updates, year-end roadmaps, insights into Aditxt's plans and goals for 2024. And a Q&A segment, Amro Albana will respond to questions submitted in advance. So if you have any questions, you can email them into the company. It says here engagement@aditxt.com. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on ADTX, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam. Your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Moving on, the major stock averages closed in the green on Wednesday, with the S&P 500 and the Dow ending at new peaks after the Federal Reserve's September meeting minutes said a substantial majority of its rate-setting board backed its big half-point cut to start an easing cycle. Tomorrow we get CPI data at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and it's expected to remain tame. According to economist consensus, September's CPI is expected to rise 0.1% month over month, cooling from the 0.2% pace in August. That would slow the year-over-year increase to 2.3% from 2.5% in the prior month. Excluding the volatile categories of food and energy, CPI is expected to increase 0.2% month over month versus 0.3% in August, translating to 3.2% year over year, unchanged from the previous month. For sure, inflation isn't the flashing red light it was 2 years ago, allowing Federal Reserve policymakers to shift some attention to the labor market. But it's essential to the central bank, as price stability is half of its mandate, along with maximum employment. According to the CME FedWatch tool, traders too expect a 25 basis point cut at the Federal Open Market Committee's November 6th to 7th meeting, with an 85.5% probability. For the December meeting, the market is pricing in another 25 basis point cut with an 82.1% probability. Today's big runner of the day was MNTS, was up 155%. NASA selected the company to provide launch services for future agency missions through its VADR, that's Venture Class Acquisition of Dedicated and Rideshare Contract. Under this NASA contract, Momentus will have the opportunity to play a crucial role in broadening access to space by delivering satellites like Class D, CubeSats, and higher risk-tolerant payloads to various orbits. Momentus is a U.S. commercial space company that offers commercial satellite buses and in-space infrastructure services, including in-space transportation, hosted payloads, and other in-orbit services. Just a $27 million market cap. WW International, which is Weight Watchers, former Weight Watchers, that was the name. They changed it to WW International. Morgan Stanley said the company's entry into the GLP-1 space is not too late. Nathan Feather wrote in a note to clients, WW announced its long-anticipated entrance into the compounded GLP-1 space, a needed step into restart clinical growth. We don't think it's too late for WW to regain share, but execution on the offering is critical to success as peak season rapidly approaches. The introduction of WW's offering of compounded semaglutide should help the company's long-term value of customer acquisition costs, with the potential to monetize roughly 45% of members who are not able to get it via insurance. WW will offer the compounded semaglutide for $189 per month on an annual plan. While sizing the total addressable market can be difficult, given that most of the competitors are private, estimates range from $2 billion to $10 billion or more. And with WW Clinic generating an annual run rate of roughly $80 million, this does present a clear total addressable market expansion opportunity if WW can gain share. BNZI is in play. The company said it plans to reduce its annual operational expenses by up to $9.9 million by March 31st, 2025, and other expenses by up to $3.6 million. The overall improvement in net income is expected to be approximately $13.5 million annually when fully implemented. BNZI said it will reduce its staffing and independent contractor expenses by 27%. BNZI said it also restructured its long-term debt with Columbia Pacific Advisors, extending the maturity date to February 19, 2027 from 2025. Additionally, 100% of interest expense is now payable in kind instead of cash. If fully converted to equity under the restructured note, the entire $1.9 million annual expense would be eliminated. The company has also begun implementing a series of additional measures to further reduce expenses, including curtailing discretionary spending and cost reduction measures for certain legal and accounting expenses. Lastly, we have a low float to put on your radar. There's getting a lot of chatter tonight on StockTwits. Pull up SPPL immediately and just look at this chart. The stock looks prime for a major move. Float just 4.86 million shares. Insiders own 70% of the company. And there's a lot of smart money talking about it on StockTwits. OG Tigress, I highly recommend you give them a follow. Squeeze Magnet, Stocks Rockman, Real Earn Franklin, he's all over this one. So again, give them a follow and check out what they have to say on StockTwits. Finally, I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Thursday's primary focus is ADTX. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. And as always, good luck to all except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Interactive Offers for sponsoring this video on ADTX. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.